streets are flooded, y'all. People care about their immigrant friends and family, and they are here to let the people of Raleigh know. They also have brought their dogs, which I love. We have a large immigrant population here. We love them. Ti amo. Me immigrants. There are so many people here. I think we have more people here than when we had the Trump protests. I haven't seen crowds like this since the George Floyd protests. Some people are just out here eating. They don't even know what's going on. They're just here to get lunch or dinner. It is 6 o'clock. Know where we're going? We got helicopters and drones. Donald Trump has got to go. Hey, hey! Ho, ho! Donald Trump has got to go. Hey, hey! Ho, ho! Donald Trump has got to go. Hey, hey! Ho, ho! Donald Trump has got to go.
I thought so too.
Like I said, we are in downtown Raleigh. This started on Moore Square with a protest, and now we're doing a rally. We're marching. We're marching to protest ICE.
ICE out of NC! ICE out of NC! ICE out of NC! ICE out of NC!
North Carolina just passed an anti-immigration bill.
ICE out of NC! 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 ICE out of NC!
There are a lot of people out here.
Oh, hey, no fear. Immigrants are welcome here. No hate, no fear. Immigrants are welcome here. No hate, no fear.
Immigrants are welcome here.
No fear. Immigrants are welcome here. No hate, 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 no fear. Immigrants are welcome here. No hate,
No fear. Immigrants are welcome here.
no fear.
Immigrants are welcome here. We're crossing Hargett and Salisbury, downtown Raleigh. Got a lot of people here. It's a very large crowd. Guess I need to go find Drew. Thank you guys for marching with us. Check out my other videos. I keep trying to show you all the helicopters in the sky, but my camera's just not focusing on them. They're just too small. Check out all the rest of my videos from the protests. Make sure you show up to Capitol Boulevard this weekend to protest against the kings and tyranny. And stay tuned to our channel. We cover all the protests, or at least the ones that we support. Thank you for watching. If you really care about immigrants, check out the other protests in town. I'm sure there will be plenty more. Catch one. And get out there and organize. Get into a group, because when you get into a group that already exists, you can make a more impactful change. There are a lot of groups in Raleigh, and that's how this protest came to be. So find a group that you align with, go sign up, ask them how you can help.
No fear. Immigrants are welcome here. No hate, no fear. Immigrants are welcome here. No hate, no fear. Immigrants are welcome here. No hate, no fear.
You can hear it.